Guess what, guys? Guess what, guys? We got something special today. We got you guys a 2019 Ford Mustang 5.0 RTR edition. I don't know if how many of you guys heard of that edition, but it's got a special paint scheme, special everything. It's a really beautiful car. What'd you say, 460 horse? As of right now. But she's gonna put Cook's headers and a lot of different things on it down the line and put a supercharger on it from Ford. So it's still a work in progress. But for right now, this is what it looks like stock. Got factory converters there and there. Then factory resonator, 2.5-inch pipe all the way back into dual mufflers there and there, and dual tips with active exhaust on them up there and up there. So guess what she does? She said, I don't like the sound, it's too quiet. So she went and bought a BORLA S-type with active exhaust, complete kit. As you guys can see, X pipe, intermediate pipes, resonators, and 2 mufflers that we are going to install on it. Right there. There it is. There's the car. This is what it looks like before. There's the stock exhaust on it. Let you guys hear it. We'll let you see it and then hear it after. Here's what it sounds like before. This is stock exhaust. Sound decibels on it. I'll show you. It's still about 102. So we'll see with the S-type exhaust how it sounds like. Does it have a sport mode? Here's what it sounds like with sport mode plus. Go ahead. It opens up a lot. It opens those panels. Sound decibels again. Oh wow, raised it 5 decibels again. Yeah, it raised it to 107 instead of 102. All right, we'll let you guys hear it after. All right guys, so we showed you before with the stock exhaust. Now there's the stock exhaust, it's on the ground. And here's what we did. Still got the factory converters. Then we added the BORLA system, all welded, X pipe, 3-inch pipe all the way back, 2 miniature resonators, there and there, and the BORLA S-type mufflers, there with the active exhaust on each side, there and there. The active exhaust is up there, and there's the system. Came out beautiful. We welded it. But we left this clamp because if she ever wants to take it off, she can take it off. But other than that, we welded everything. Really nice, clean welds, as you guys can see. That's what sets us apart. We try to take care of everything in a clean, take pride in our work. There's the valves inside, you can see them. They're open at the moment. And it came out with black quad tips. There and there. There it is. We will let you guys see it, let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Let us know in the comments what you guys think. And we'll see if we can get a link to the system for you guys. All right, so the flaps are closed right now, halfway. Go ahead. Oh, they just opened up. Close them again. Yeah, they're closed now. Go ahead. With them closed, the sound decibels are, again, 110. Now open the flaps, put it in sport mode. Okay, they're open. Let's see what it sounds like. Give a guess. So with the flaps open, it's 107. It's quieter. So with them closed, it's louder. Huh. Okay, go ahead. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. Go ahead and back it up. Give a guess. Put it in sport mode. Sounds different right away. Let you guys hear on the inside.